Plant FAQs, Dracaena Golden Heart. The Golden Glow of the Dracaena Golden Heart, a Plant Parent's Guide. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, I want to share my love for a stunning houseplant that injects sunshine into any space. The Dracaena Golden Heart. This beauty has become a star in my urban jungle, and I'm excited to tell you all about it. The Dracaena Golden Heart, also known as the Golden Heart Dragon Tree, boasts vibrant green leaves with a striking central stripe of sunshine yellow. These long, sword-shaped leaves add a touch of the tropics indoors and grow from a central rosette, creating a visually captivating plant. But beyond its looks, the Golden Heart is a dream for plant parents like me. It's incredibly forgiving, tolerates a wide range of light conditions, and requires minimal fuss. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the world of the Dracaena Golden Heart. Unboxing your Dracaena Golden Heart. The first thing you'll notice when you bring your Golden Heart home is its weight. These plants have sturdy trunks that contribute to their stability, making them perfect for homes with curious pets or clumsy humans, like me. Finding the perfect spot for your Golden Heart. The Dracaena Golden Heart is an adaptable fellow when it comes to light. While it thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, it can also tolerate lower light conditions. However, keep in mind that growth will slow down in lower light. Here are some tips for choosing the perfect spot. Bright, indirect sunlight. This is the sweet spot for your Golden Heart. Aim for a location near an east-facing window where it will receive morning sunlight, but avoid the harsh afternoon sun. Medium light. Don't have a bright spot available? No worries. The Golden Heart can handle medium light conditions. Just be prepared for slower growth. Avoid direct sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so keep your Golden Heart away from south-facing windows. How to water Dracaena Golden Heart. One of the reasons I love the Golden Heart is its forgiving nature when it comes to watering. Here's the golden rule. Underwatering is better than overwatering. Here are some tips to ensure you're watering correctly. Stick your finger into the soil. The top inch of soil should dry out completely before watering again. Don't let your Golden Heart sit in water. Ensure your pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Adjust watering based on the season. You'll likely need to water your Golden Heart more frequently during the hot summer months and less often in the cooler winter months. How to care for Dracaena Golden Heart. Now that you've mastered watering, let's explore some additional tips for keeping your Golden Heart happy and thriving. Humidity. While the Golden Heart doesn't require high humidity levels, it does appreciate a little moisture in the air, especially during winter. Grouping your plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity. Fertilizer. During the spring and summer growing seasons, you can give your Golden Heart a monthly boost with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Cleaning. To keep those beautiful leaves looking their best, you can wipe them down with a damp cloth occasionally to remove dust. Signs your Golden Heart needs help. While the Golden Heart is a resilient plant, it can still communicate its needs through subtle signs. Here's what to watch out for. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or too much direct sunlight. Check your watering habits and adjust accordingly. Drooping leaves. This usually indicates underwatering. Give your Golden Heart a good soak, and it should perk up soon. Yellowing leaves. This can be a natural part of the aging process, but excessive yellowing can be caused by overwatering or lack of light. How to propagate Dracaena Golden Heart. Feeling adventurous? The Golden Heart can be propagated through stem cuttings. Here's a quick guide. Choose a healthy stem with a few nodes, bumps where leaves grow. Cut the stem just below a node at a 45-degree angle. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a pot with well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist but not soggy and place the pot in a warm location with indirect sunlight. With patience, roots should develop in a few weeks. The Golden Heart. More than just a pretty face. The Dracaena Golden Heart isn't just a pretty face. It's also an air-purifying champion. Studies have shown that this plant can help remove common toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from the air, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Adding flair with Golden Heart companions. With its vibrant foliage, the Golden Heart can be a statement piece on its own, but it also plays well with others. Here are some ideas for creating stunning plant combinations. Tropical Paradise. Pair your Golden Heart with other lush green plants like snake plants, ZZ plants, or ferns for a truly tropical vibe. A touch of color. Introduce pops of color with flowering plants like African violets or bromeliads. Textural contrast. Juxtapose the smooth leaves of the golden heart with the fuzzy texture of a prayer plant or the spiky foliage of a yucca cane. Final thoughts. Why you need a Dracaena golden heart. The Dracaena golden heart is a gift that keeps on giving. Its stunning looks, easy care requirements, and air-purifying properties make it a perfect addition to any home. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a complete beginner, the golden heart is sure to bring a touch of sunshine and serenity to your space.